This right here will give you glass skin in just 7 days. Easy to make, and I bet you already have all the ingredients in your kitchen. If you want something natural that will help you enjoy smooth, blemish free, clear, soft and supple skin, then you are at the right place right now. Keep watching this video. Do not skip any part of this video, as I'm about to share with you a simple natural tutorial that will change your skin in just 7 days. So welcome back to the channel. If you're new, you're most welcomed. Here it's all about natural hair and natural beauty remedies like this one I'm about sharing with you right away. So to begin, we need rice. We're going to be using rice, and here I'm using about 1/3 cup of rice, and you can use any rice, any type of rice available to you. We are also going to be using flaxseed. So here I have my flaxseed, and you know it is filled with nice nutrients. It has omega-3 that is great for nourishing the skin. And all we are going to be doing is just to add our ingredients right into the pot. I am using 1/3 cup of rice, and I'm going to go ahead to add 1 tablespoon of flaxseed. So once you have all of these ingredients in the pot, add about 2 cups of water, and we're going to bring this to boil till it is tender. So once again, welcome back to the channel, and thank you for always supporting this channel. If you're new, you're most welcomed. Like I said earlier, it's all about natural hair tutorial and natural skincare remedies like this one I'm about sharing with you now. So do consider subscribing. Hit the subscribe button, be part of this amazing community we're building, and also like this video to make this video get to some people that may be interested in it. And also share your thoughts, what you think or what you like most about this video in the comments section. So here my rice has been boiling, and like I said, you need to boil it till it is very tender, because we're going to be blending this. So this has been boiling for more than 30 minutes. Depending on the heating method you're using, the time may vary. So just make sure you boil it till it is soft enough to blend. Now once it is soft, turn off the heat and let it cool down before you go ahead to blend. So just pour it right into your blender and blend. I decided to use my stick blender, and as you're blending, adjust the water when necessary. Like if you feel it is thick, add more water to loosen it up to make straining easy. So we're going to be straining it right away. We want a smooth paste, so you can use any kind of tool that you want to strain yours. I'm using a chiffon material here to strain mine right away. Now rice and flaxseed is filled with nutrients that helps to boost collagen production around the skin cells. This right here, what you're looking at, is a natural collagen booster. Yes, it is a natural collagen booster. This is one of the reasons you see a lot of Asians using rice in their skincare routine, and you can see and attest to their younger looking skin. So rice is very great for the skin, and the combination of flaxseed even makes it greater for the skin. Alright, so I'm done straining, and here I have this part that is still remaining, which I'm going to cover properly and put it into the freezer. It will still be in use once I exhaust this one that I have strained. So here I have my rice and flaxseed paste ready for the rest of ingredient to be added into it. So the next ingredient is honey. I'm going to be adding honey here, about a teaspoon of honey into this paste. Honey is great for the skin. It helps with further moisturizing the skin. It will help to soften the skin as well. It's just great for the skin, especially if you have dry skin. Please go ahead and add honey into it. But if you do not want honey, just use any other humectant of your choice. I am also going in with vitamin E. So here I have my vitamin E, few drops of vitamin E in here. If you're using the capsule one, 1 to 2 capsule is okay. So once you have all the ingredients combined, then make sure you stir the paste properly to combine everything together. Now vitamin E is also great for the skin. It's an antioxidant that also helps with moisturizing and nourishing the skin. It is great for keeping the skin hydrated and keeping the skin more youthful, and it added nice scent to this paste. Like, it smells amazing. So once you combine it properly, it is ready. Now to store this, pour it into a clean jar, a very clean jar, and store right into your refrigerator. This can last for up to 5 to 7 days without foul smell or any mold developing on it. So you can pop it into the refrigerator and use it within 5 to 7 days. Actually, this jar will last me up to 7 days. Alright, so our face mask or facial treatment is ready. Now this is how you apply it. Now this is me before the application. My face is has been going through a lot and needed some revive, like good revive. And you can see I have few spots on the face, and I'm also going to be using this for 7 days, and I'll be back here in the next video to share with you my result after 7 days. Of course, I already have an idea of what the result will be, because this is my go-to facial reset treatment whenever I feel like my face needs some revive. Like, if I feel that my face has gone through rough time and need a revive, this is what I do. This is so great on the skin that you get similar results you would get if you had gone to an actual spa. You will get same result at home. All right, so just apply this all over your face. It is very cold. Like, when you bring it out from the refrigerator, you feel the chills running down your cheek. Okay, so it's very cold, but it is totally worth it. Now apply it all over your face or all over your skin and massage right into your skin. I like to massage in circular motion. Take your time, massage it right into your skin. I also like to apply around my eye area, as it helps with dark eye circles around the eyes. And so just massage it right into your skin, and by the time you're done, it will tighten up your face instantly. It's going to have this tightening sensation, which is okay, and then just leave it on your face for about 30 to 40 minutes or till it is completely dry. Once it is completely dry, your face is likely to look like this. Okay, so it's going to be stiff, very tight, and then go ahead to wash it off completely and apply your moisturizer. So for 7 days, we're going to be applying this every day, and I'm going to be back in the next video to share more results with you. Of course, you're also going to get instant results after using this. Like, you can see how smooth, clear and brighter my skin looks, and of course it feels soft and supple as well. So in 7 days time, I'm going to be back to share my everyday result with you. I'm going to be applying this every day, and I hope you join me in this challenge. Let's get that smooth, clear, brighter, soft and supple looking skin. And it's just within 7 days we're going to be applying this on our face, and it is all natural, so you have nothing to fear. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.